Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful motif. Okay, so it's multiple motifs joined together, but I will show you how to do it. So we're going to take our needle and we're going to make a loop. I will make a total of 4 chains, and I'm going to go in my very first stitch and I will make a total of 3 double crochets. I will go to my chain stitch at the very first stitch and I will pull my yarn through. I'm going to make another 4 chains. I will go in my fourth stitch or my first chain stitch and I'm going to make a total of 3 double crochets. I'm going to pull my loop through to form a bubble stitch and I'm going to make 4 chains. I'm going in my fourth chain and I will be making a total of 3 double crochets. Pull my needle out, pull my loop through and make 4 more chain stitch, and in my chain stitch I will be making a total of 3 double crochets to form a bubble stitch. Now we're gonna go in the very first stitch. You want to make sure that you line this up on the correct side or it's gonna be twisted. You're gonna pull everything through. Now we're gonna make a total of 4 chains. I'm gonna go in my stitch and I'm gonna make a single crochet. I'm gonna make 8 chains. I'm going back in the same stitch with a single crochet, 4 chains. I'm going in my next stitch and I will be making a single crochet and 8 chains. I will go back in my same stitch and I will join that with a single crochet. Now I'm gonna make 4 chains. I'm gonna go over in my next stitch with a single crochet and 8 chains. I'm going in my same stitch and I'm gonna make a total of 4 chains like this, and I'm gonna make 8 chains. And I'm going back in the same stitch with a single crochet. So this is what your motif looks like. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to join the motif. So I'm going to take the motif apart. Okay, I'm taking the motif apart and I'm going to go back and I will make a total of 4 chains. I'm going to go in the very first stitch here in my loop and I'm going to make 4 chains. I'm going to go back in my same stitch here and I will be making a total of 4 chains. I'm going to go in my next stitch with a single crochet. So now you have something that looks like this. You're matching this with this and we're going to make 4 chains, and you want to go over in this loop, okay, because you're going over in this loop. You can go in the very top to create a very nice pattern. So I'm going to go in the top of this pattern or the loop and I'm going to make a total of 4 chains. Now I'm going in my same stitch So now you have something that looks like this. We're gonna make a total of 4 chains. We're going in this stitch, with a single crochet. Now we have 4 chains. If you were joining another one, you would put it here, but we're just gonna make a total of 8 chains. So now we have 8 chains, a single crochet, 4 chains. We're going back in this stitch, and we're making a single crochet here, and then 8 chains here, and we already made the 4 chains here, so we don't need to do anything. We just have to close this off with a slip stitch. So this is what we have, and I will show you how to join another one. Okay, so I'm going to practice with you again. We're going to make a total of 4 chains. We're going in the very first chain stitch, and we're going to make a total of 3 double crochets. We're going to pull our needle out. We're going to go in our very first set of chain stitch at the top, and we're going to pull our yarn through, and we made a bobble stitch. Now I'm going to make a total of 4 chains. I'm going back in my chain stitch, and I'm going to make a total of 3 double crochets. I'm going back in the top of my chain stitch. I'm pulling my loop through to form a bobble stitch. 4 chains. I'm going back in the very top of my stitch, and I'm making a total of 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 3 double crochets and a set of 3 chains equals 4. So 4 chains, and we're gonna make a total of 3 double crochets, and we're gonna join them like this. And I'm gonna go in the very first stitch here, and I'm joining it. Now I will be making a total of 4 chains. I will take my loop here. I'm gonna pull it through, make 4 more chains. I'm going back in the same stitch with a single crochet. I'm making 4 chains. I'm going and I'm making a single crochet. I'm making 4 chains. Now I'm gonna join this, so I'm going back in the very top, see here, and I will be making 4 chains. I'm going back in my same stitch, and I'm gonna make 4 chains. So you have this is what it looks like so far. I'm going back in this stitch, and I'm gonna make a total of 4 chains because I'm joining them. So I'm making 4 chains. So I'm going and I'm taking this loop, I'm pushing my needle through this loop, okay, which is the 8th chain stitch, and over on this side you make 4. Okay, now I'm gonna make another 4 chain stitch, and I'm gonna go back in the same stitch with a single crochet. So now you have this, it's joined, and I'm gonna make a total of 4 chains. I'm going back in the same stitch with a single crochet, 8 chains. I'm going back in the same stitch to close it off with a single crochet. So you have this, and now I'm gonna make a total of 4 chains, and I'm gonna join my 4 chains over here with a slip stitch. Isn't it lovely? Beautiful, isn't it?